Today is gonna be a good one because today I will be the first person to open a drop mystery box. So for those of you who aren't aware, Drop released about 400 mystery boxes of keycaps, both keycap sets as well as artisan keycaps. And they said that it would be valued at about $200. Right? That was their claim. So the claim was that by purchasing one of these keycap sets, you would essentially be buying $200 worth of keycaps for $100. Well, I got one of these keycap sets. I got a mystery box. I spent $100. But did I get scammed is the question. Here, I have it. As you can see, I'm a big keyboard fan. But today, this keyboard has to be moved to the side. Here, I have the mystery box. One of the 400-ish that were sold by Drop. So, like I said, the question is, did I get scammed? Or did I profit? Let's crack this bad boy open and see how badly I got scammed. Let's crack them open. Whoa. No one needs to see where I live. So before, actually, I think this is important. What we should do first is let's talk about what I could have gotten. I remember reading and they said they will all contain a combination of the keycap sets, so full sets. So a combination of keycap sets, artisan keycaps, and something else. Accessories. Not accessories like cables or anything, but like modifiers, so the extra novelty keycaps. So I'm really hoping for one good set, a full set. I'm hoping for a good base kit in addition, hopefully, because that would basically be 2 full sets. That would be nice. And then a couple cool artisans, right? Because artisans can be expensive, and I don't have any because I refuse to spend my money on that. So it would be pretty cool if I could snag a nice artisan from this. So without further ado, let's get on into this. And I know that GMK is on the table. That was one thing that they specified. It was the only thing that they specified, was that none of their keycap sets were off limits. Right? So GMK, Mito, all of them are on the table, so that would be the big pull. All right, 1 of 300. And we're just I gotta pull, don't wanna leak. All right, Drop MT3 Fair Lane base kit. So this is a full base kit. A base kit is essentially enough to build a keyboard. It just doesn't have any fun stuff, right? So like I have the PBT Hippo keycaps, and those came with novelties, and this, in theory, won't have the novelties. Ooh, okay. Okay. We don't hate this. All right. Here's the kit. Oh, okay. So yeah, no novelties in terms of like funky patterns or anything, but a lot of color options, which is I think is pretty cool. Wow, these are actually really nice. There you go. I actually dig these. This is a really cool look, and the feel is interesting. They dip, the dimples are really deep. That's a very aesthetic set. All right, this was the Drop MT3 Fair Lane. So now the question is, how much is that worth? Drop MT3 Fair Lane is worth $120. So to reminder, I spent $100 on this. Right? This whole box was $100. So I've profited. So already, this is $120 base kit, and that's what I got. I got the base kit. So it's a $120 base kit. So already, you know, it was worth it. So already I've gotten what I wanted, which was a base kit. That was the big thing that I really wanted to get out of this. So that's huge. Base kit done. So next, let's see what we got here. Don't want to look at anything else. All right, another drop branded one. Let's see. Skylight keycap rose. I don't know what that means at all. But let's take a look. I don't know if this is going to be another base kit or if it's just going to be novelties or something, but it's we'll see. It's drop branded, so you never know. Ooh. All right. All right, it looks like another base kit. Is this their... They just released a new one I saw on Instagram. Yes, this looks like another base kit. This one might be a little cheaper. I have a feeling this one's going to be a little bit cheaper. Yeah, they feel like ABS. So like a thinner plastic. They might be shined through though. Yeah, they look like shine through. Oh, okay. Maybe like slightly pudding keycaps. So that's pretty cool, I guess. So here you go. There's a view of them. So that's the main alphas. It also came with everything you would need to build out a 10 keyless. And a numpad, actually. So that's a full set. Drop Skylight Rose runs us about $45. Let's go next. Oh, I see something in there that I know I'm going to like. But let's go here. Looks like an artisan. Again, I don't have any artisans. This is going to be my first artisan keycap. I hope that I fucking love it. Okay, cool. What the fuck? Wait, this is sick. I have to be honest that I don't know what this is. But so here it is. It's made out of resin. Right? It comes on this nice little pad. But this is it. Okay. And this little helmet or this visor goes up and down. That's pretty cool. That's cool. So it's 23 bucks. Originally 29. So I have to be honest, I did see the bottom. And I know that what's in there I already have, which is sad. But we will continue in the spirit of the unboxing with I don't have this. Oh, okay. So when I said that the MT3 was going to be the biggest pull, I was a dirty fucking liar because we pulled a GMK set. And for those of you that don't know, GMK is the pinnacle of keycaps, right? They set the standard. So this is, even if it's ugly, this is the most valuable pull. This is GMK Pixel, which I do not have. I have GMK black on white. Or no, sorry, white on black. But this, oh, and their packaging, so secretive. So this is GMK Pixel. So this is, I believe that this is a no legends set. So this means that there's no letters on it. It's just symbols. But we will have to find out. Let's get a nice plastic pull here. All right. Here we go. This is the most valuable pull right here. And let's see what it looks like. Oh. Dang. You know, I know that it's no legends. But damn if that isn't cool. Right? If you're looking for a simplistic build, right, this is going to be your move. And it is gorgeous. Very well made. A cool little novelty for your escape key if you wanted it right there. Yeah, so that's a big one. That's a huge pull. GMK Pixel runs $140. So I spent $100 on drop.com and I received a $328 value. As much as I would like to say that I got scammed, you know, the numbers speak for themselves. I would say this is a win and for sure not a scam. So, yeah, this is huge.